Hello, kids. How are you? Hope you all are fit and fine. Children, in today's class, we are going to learn about digraph. But what are digraphs? When two consonants are put together and they make different single sound, they are called digraphs. Digraph can be found at the beginning, middle, or at the end of the word. You can see digraph ch in word chin at beginning, and in word kitchen it's in middle, and in word bench digraph ch is at the end of the word. Now let's see examples. What are digraphs? A digraph is when two consonants are put together and they make one sound. For example, when we combine two consonants S and H together, they make sound sh. They don't make sound sah. Such combinations are called digraph. Let's see one more example. When we combine two consonants C and H together, we don't hear sound kh. Instead, they make different single sound ch. So children, now it's clear to you. A digraph is when two consonants are put together and they make one sound. Now, some examples of digraph. CH ch, GH f, TH th, TH the, PH f, SH sh, WH w, CK k, NG ng, NK nk. Now we will see each digraph in detail. C says k and H says h. Put them together, they make different single sound in digraph ch, as in chin and bench. New digraph, C says k and K says k. Put them together, they make different single sound in digraph ck, like in duck and lock. One more digraph. G says g and H says h. Put them together, they make different single sound in digraph gh, as in laugh and rough. One more digraph. N says n and G says g. Put them together, they make different single sound in digraph ng, ng. Mostly this digraph is found in the end of the word, as in swing and ring. Good job. Here we have one more digraph. N says n, K says k. Put them together, they make different single sound in digraph nk, nk. This digraph will also be in the end of the word, as in sink and tank. Let's read one more digraph. P says p and H says h. Put them together, they make different single sound in digraph ph, as in phone and photo. Next digraph. S says s and H says h. Put them together, they make different single sound in digraph sh, sh, as in fish and ship. Next digraph we have W says w and H says h. Put them together, they make different single sound in digraph WH w. as in whale and wheel. The digraph made by T and H can be sounded in two different ways. One sound is th, as in thin and three. This th sound of digraph TH is called unvoiced or soft sound. And the other sound of digraph TH is the, which is called voiced or hard the, as in mother and father. Children, now you have learned sound of different digraphs with examples. Now you practice reading digraphs at your home. Bye bye.